Hi, today our topic about transformation of axis, intermediate first B, second chapter, second section, first problem. When the origin is shifted to the point, the transformed equation of a curve is, find the original equation of the curve. See? Vertical line, horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. Where these two axes are intersected, that point is called origin, and the origin coordinates are 0, 0. Now transformation of axis. This axis transform from another place without changing their directions. So assume that this is the new x-axis and y-axis. New origin always denoted coordinates are h, k. But in the problem given this coordinate values 2, 3. Okay. Suppose there is a curve. The equation from old origin to this curve and new origin to this curve is different. Now given in the problem, new origin to curve, this equation given in the problem, and asked us find the equation from old origin to curve. Okay, this is clear. Now another one, suppose there is a point P. This point P from old origin coordinates are x, y, and this point P from new origin coordinates are x dash, y dash. This point new origin and this point a point P. Now draw a perpendicular lines from this point to x axis and y axis. From origin to this point P coordinate x on x axis, the distance is x, and on y axis the distance is y. Now same, this also a point but located here as a new origin. This distance is h, this distance is y. Now this is 0, this is x. The distance 0 to x is a small letter x. Besides of this, we can write, suppose this is m, this is new origin o dash. O dash to m distance is x dash. O dash to here distance is y dash. So x besides we can write this is parallel to this line. This both distance are same, so x is equal to, we can write x dash plus h. Y is equal to this line, we can write y is equal to y dash plus k. Y is equal to y dash plus k. Understood? With this what we can confirm? Old origin 0, 0 origin. New origin h, k. Old point P x, y. New point P we can write as x dash, y dash, or we can write x minus h, y minus k. Because from here to there, this distance total x minus h, this distance total y minus k. X minus h, y minus k. Next, the equation from origin to point is f of x is equal to 0. After transform, we can write like this: f of x, y equal to 0. F of x dash plus h, y dash plus k is equal to 0. This is a old equation. This is a new equation. I think clear. Now what given in the problem? new origin h comma k equal to 2 comma 3 and given transformed equation is, what is the given transformed equation? F of, see, we can write new points x dash y dash or capital letter x comma capital letter y. So capital letter x comma capital letter y equal to x dash plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equal to 0, because this is the new equation from new origin. Clear? Now let x comma y the old coordinates of new coordinates, x comma y capital letters, then small x means big length x is equal to small x capital letter x plus h comma y is equal to capital Y plus k. Capital Y means new origin distance. Now capital X is equal to, send this x this side, h this side, x minus h. Capital Y is equal to small y minus k. Got it? Then old equation, this x minus h comma k value is 2 comma 3. So besides of h we can write 2, and besides of y k we can write 3. Old equation using the new equation, x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 equal to 0 given in the problem. Simply you substitute x besides x minus 2, y besides y minus 3, because these all are new equation. Just I written for our understanding sake. X besides x minus 2 whole square plus 3 of x minus 2 y value, y besides y minus 3 minus 2 of y minus 3 whole square plus 17x minus 2 minus 7 y minus 3 minus 11 equal to 0. Now simplify them. X minus 2 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 to the 4 into x 4x. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square means 2 to the 4 minus 2 into x, 2 to the 4 x 4x. Then this one 3 of x minus 2 y minus 3. First you multiply these two expressions, x into y xy plus into minus 3 into x 3x minus into plus minus 2 into y 2y minus into minus plus 3 2 3s are 6 with a factor 3. Again you send this 3 into this expression, 3 into xy 3xy minus 3 3s are 9x minus 3 2 are 6y plus 3 6 are 18. Clear? After this one y minus 3 whole square minus 2 of y minus 3 whole square minus 2 of this one also in the form of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square 3 3s are 9 minus 2ab 2 3 are 6 and y. Now again minus into plus minus 2 into y square 2y square minus into plus minus 2 9s are 18 minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12y. Okay, and these are small, you can write this x minus 2 whole square besides x square plus 4 minus 4x plus total this expression beside 3xy minus 9x minus 6y plus 18. After this expression beside minus 2y square minus 18 plus 12y, then plus 17 into x 17x plus into minus minus 17 into a 34 minus into plus minus 7y minus into minus plus 7 3 at 21 minus 11 equal to 0. Now simplify them. First x square, is there any one more x square? X square like term? No, there is no like term. Then after that xy, 3xy, is there any another xy? No, so place 3xy. After y square, only one y square minus 2y square. Then x values minus 4x minus 9x plus 17x, that's all. 9 4 13x plus 17x, their difference plus 4x. After that y minus 6y plus 12y minus 7y, 7 6 minus 13y plus 12y means minus y. Okay, minus y. After that constant numbers. How many constants number? Plus 4 plus 18 minus 18 get cancelled, minus 34 plus 21 minus 11, 415 314 minus 45 1452 plus 25, their difference minus 20 is equal to 0. After last x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 4x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the equation from old origin. Now second problem, when the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, the transformed equation of a curve is, find the original equation of the curve. See, before we did a problem, transformation of axis without changing the directions. Here change the origin in translation of axis. Now rotation of axis. This is x-axis, y-axis. Now rotation like this, anti-clockwise. This is theta. Assume that this is x dash and this is y dash. First observe one point P, distance 5, 4. Now same origin, but the axes are rotated like this. Axes are rotated x comma y anti-clockwise with theta degrees. This point P from old origin 0, 0 to distance is different, because x-axis, y-axis place are different. Now x dash axis, y dash axis place are different. Rotation of axis. Before point P as x comma y, then new point is x dash comma y dash. What is the value of x dash? What is the value of y dash? We are using a formula. Just draw a table. Class students. Which class? High class students. Class students. Class means cos theta. Students means sin theta. Whenever you observe cos, most of the time this side or this reciprocal is equal will come minus. First time sin minus, cos sin. Class students, cos theta sin theta. Next, sin theta, cos theta. Here x dash, y dash, here x, here y. Now, to write the value of x dash, x cos theta plus y sin theta. To write the value of y dash minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Then x dash comma y dash is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. This is abscissa or first ordinate or coordinate. Then next ordinate x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay. To write this formula, we needed this table. Keep in your mind, class students, cos sin, first time minus, then sin cos, x dash y dash x y. To write x dash, take this row x cos theta, take this column x dash is equal to x cos theta, y sin theta. Y dash is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. To write x value, x is equal to x dash cos theta, y dash minus sin theta. Understood? Like that. Now, this thing. Okay. Answer. Which angle given here? Rotation angle. How much that angle? 45 degrees. This is the theta. Given transformed equation. Given transformed equation is, what is that equation? 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225 with after rotated equation, this one, okay, is equal to 225. 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square, take this 225 left hand side, minus 225 is equal to 0. Now let x comma y be the original coordinates of new coordinates x dash comma y dash. Using that table, using this table, x dash is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Y dash is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. To find their values, point x dash comma y dash is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta comma minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now x cos theta how much? Theta 45 degrees, cos 45, y sin 45 minus x sin 45 plus y cos 45 degrees. Now recall the trigonometric table. Sin value 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Always 45 degrees, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1, 1, root 2, root 2 for 6 ratios. Sin cos 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, tan got 1, 1, cosecant secant root 2, root 2. Okay, now here cos 45 how much? 1 by root 2. X into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2, comma, minus x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2. Okay, now simplify them. How like you can simplify? X by root 2 plus y by root 2 comma minus x by root 2 plus y by root 2 or x plus y by root 2 comma minus x plus y by root 2. These two are the new coordinates. The original equation of given transformed equation is, first I will write 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square minus 225 is equal to 0. Now we found the values of x and y. X plus y by root 2 minus x plus y by root 2. Besides of this, 17x plus y by root 2, okay, whole square minus 16x plus y by root 2 minus x plus y by root 2 plus 17 minus x plus y by root 2 whole square minus 225 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Then 17 a square plus b square plus 2ab by root 2 whole square. Square and root get cancel. Then 2 minus 16 of a plus b into a minus b. Here x plus y minus x plus y means minus a square, a plus a square minus b square, like minus y minus b square minus a square. Wait, I will show you. X plus y minus x plus y means y plus x, y minus x. Now a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, y square minus x square. We can write minus x square plus y square minus x square plus y square by root 2 into root 2 whole square. Then 2 will come plus a plus b whole square, a square minus x whole square, x square 17 of x square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into x means minus x into y by root 2 whole square. 2 will come minus 225 is equal to 0. Now 17x square plus 17y square, 17 to 34xy by 2 minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 16x square minus into plus minus 16y square by 2 plus 17x square plus 17y square. See here minus x plus y plus 2. So plus into minus minus 2xy, 17 to 34xy by 2, remaining minus 225 is equal to 0. Now all these three fractions having the same denominator 2, so write here denominator 1. Take LCM 2 because many of the fractions 2 and their denominator LCM is 2. 17x square plus 17y square plus 34xy plus 16x square minus 16y square plus 17x square plus 17y square minus 34xy minus 225 to the 450 is equal to 0. Now 17x square, 16x square, 10, 20, 6, 7, 13, 33 and 17, 50, 50x square, 17y square minus 16y square, 1y square again 18y square, 18y square, then 34xy, these two get cancelled, plus minus, now remaining minus 450 is equal, send this 2 is equal that side 0. Now take a common factor, 3 not possible, 2, 25x square plus 9y square minus 225 is equal to 0. 25x square plus 9y square, send this into 2 is equal that side as 0 by 2, change as 0, again minus 225 is equal that side plus 225. Now to reduce, to simplify this one, see, we can write like this also, 25x square by 225 plus 9y square by 225 is equal 225 by 225 get cancel and 1. Now 25 1 time 25, 9 times 5 7 9, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 18, 9 5 45. Now x square by 9 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. This is the old equation, rotated equation. Okay.